Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to hide your Elo or your rating in chess.com. If you want to hide your Elo, it's quite simple. Of course, you need to be signed into your account, and once you are logged in and you are in your home page, you want to look at the lower left corner of your screen and click on the cogwheel or settings icon like so, and this pop-up will appear. Click on all settings like so. There you go. Wait for it to load. So now that you are in your settings option, you want to click on your interface option over here. It's the fourth option like so. And by default, you're going to have your show player ratings during game enabled. So if you want to turn this off so that you can hide your rating or your Elo, all you need to do is click on this to disable or untick it, right? So as you can see here, you can't do that right now because I am not rated at the moment. But once you are rated and once you are set in a specific Elo or rating, once you click on this, it's going to stay like that. And as you can see here, there you go. So that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next video.